Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Welcome in the second video lesson of the first week of final term. As you know that we have started the topic of division. Now we are going to start the exercise 2E. The topic of exercise is division and you are going to solve sums of division in this exercise. These are simple one, single line division, or maybe 2-digit or 3-digit division is there in the exercise. Here I have solved, given some examples of very simple linear division. 24 divided by 8. 8 is the divisor, 24 is the dividend. Read the table of 8 and 8 threes are 24. So 3 is the quotient here. You will get the answer after doing this division. 90 divided by 10. 10 is the divisor. Read the table of 10. 10 nines are 90. Now 20 divided by 6. 6 is the divisor and dividend is 20. You are going to divide 20 by 6. Little bit careful. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 and 6 threes are 18. 6 threes are 18 here, 6 threes are 18, 3 is the quotient. Then you subtract 18 from 20, you will get 2 as remainder in the end. This one 308 divided by 10 and you know the rule how to divide a number by 10. In previous video lesson, you have solved such type of question and you know that number at unit place is remainder and the remaining numbers are quotient. So 30 is the quotient of this question and this 8 is the remainder. Now look here, 639 divided by 3. One by one divide each number. 3, 6 divided by 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3. And 9 divided by 3, 3 threes are 9. So 639 when divided by 3, you will get the quotient 213. It's very simple without any remainder. Simply you can divide verbally. No need of working. Such type of questions are given in the objective exercise. Then here, question number 4, 5 and 6 from the exercise. These are 2-digit number divided by a single digit number, maybe 0 remainder or some remainder is there. I have solved them, 2 of them here. 37 is the dividend and you are going to divide it by 7. You will read the table of 7. 7 fives are 35. 35 is written here. Then you will put the sign of subtraction and do the subtraction. 35 subtracted from 37, you will get 2 here as remainder. 7 minus 5 answer is 2 and 3 minus 3 answer is 0. But it is better to put a cross here instead of 0 because sometimes children get confused while writing 0 here. So it is better to use cross, but if you want to put 0 here, no problem, you can write 0 here also. Another one is here, this one, 54 divided by 9. 9 is the divisor and 54 is the dividend. When you read the table of 9, you will get 6 as quotient. 9, 6 are 54. And you know that 54 minus 54 because this minus is there after writing the number. Next step is to subtract. Subtracted 54 from 54, there is 0 remainder. Here you get 2 as remainder. Here you get 0 as remainder. It's mean when you divide 37 by 7, you will get 5 groups and 2 will remain as undivided. This 2 is undivided number left over as remainder. But when you divide it 54 by 9, You will get 6 as quotient and there is nothing left as remainder in the end. All 54 are divided by 9 and make 6 groups. Now question number 9 and 10. I have solved here 3 examples for you. Step by step you will solve. You will solve first 100, then you will solve next number, that is 10. Not 100, ones and tens. First you will divide 10, then you will divide ones. 82. Because this 8 is bigger than 2, so we can divide them separately here. No need to read the table up 82. We can use only single digit 8 and we can divide this by divisor 2. 2 4s are 8. Step by step you will do the division from the left hand side. 2 4s are 8, then you will do the subtraction here and nothing is left here, so cross is here. The next number to divide is 2. Copy this number, 2 is here. Now again this divide this 2 by the divisor and divisor is 2. So 2 ones are 2. Do the subtraction and nothing is left here as remainder. Understand? You are not using both the numbers for a single division. You are now dividing step by step. One digit, then the next digit. If this number, the first number, is bigger than the divisor, so we can divide them step by step, one by one. See here, 91. This is the dividend and 3 is the divisor. See, this 9 is bigger than 3 and you can divide only single 9 by 3. So 3 3s are 9. Do the subtraction, nothing is left. Now the next number is 1. You have to divide 1. Now see this one, I have used 3 zeros are 0 and then subtraction and then 1 remainder. You cannot write only this one as remainder without division, because if you do not doing the division by 0, then your answer will be 3 only, and that is wrong. Every number you have to divide. 3 zeros are 0, then do the subtraction and then you will get the remainder. A number from here, from the dividend, cannot be written directly as remainder. After doing this division and subtraction, then we are getting the remainder. This is a very important point that you must keep in your mind, because if you are not going to do this division, 3 zeros are 0, then your quotient will be only 3, and that is wrong. Now the next number is 79. See here, you can divide this 7 only separately. 7 ones are 7. Then after subtraction, nothing is left. The next number that is going to divide by 7 is 9. Copy this 9 here. Then again read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7 and then do the subtraction. You will get 2 as remainder here. This is another new method, another new point that you have learned here in question number 9 and 10. Step by step we are solving and dividing the numbers. Now this one, 3-digit number. Again the same method. First divide the 100, then the 10 and then the ones. Division always start from the left hand side. So at left hand side we have 100 place, 550 and divisor is 5. Divide this 5 first. 5 ones are 5. After subtraction, cross is here, then the next number that is also 5, it is here. 5 ones are 5, then subtraction, nothing is left, then 0 is here. This 0 is also a dividend and you have to divide this 0 also. So copy this 0 here. This is 0 and then read the table of 5 zeros are 0. Then your answer is 0 remainder. Whenever do the division, read the table, write the number here and then write the number here, then do the subtraction, copy the next number, step by step solve the question. Another number is there, 849 is the dividend and 4 is the divisor. First divide 8 by 4. 4 2s are 8. After subtraction, nothing is left, and the next number that you are going to divide is 4. Copy this 4 here. Now divide this 4 by this divisor 4. 4 1s are 4. Then again same step, subtraction, nothing is left. The next number to be divided is 9. Copy 9 here. Read the table. 4 2s are 8. 8 is here. Then you will do the subtraction. 8 minus 9, 1 is remaining, so this 1 is the remainder. In this division, 849 dividend divided by 4. You get 212 as quotient and 1 is here as remainder. Sometime you are getting 0 as remainder, sometime you are getting some number as remainder, no problem. You will write here in the end. Up to question number 11 I have explained you, and I think that now you are able to solve the worksheet that I have sent you for as a work for week number 1 from exercise 2E. Thank you and Khuda Hafiz.